Welcome back to Politricks. Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Richard Coconut, aka Richard Curry. All kind of people like me say look YouTube I'm ashamed. Remember one time you first dropped the video them and tell me say Richard Curry is a plant. I'm not talking about the good type of plant them, the one them we decorate your house and your garden. I'm not talking about them plant them. That's why I found out whether you get tricked quote unquote African revolutionary, black revolutionary. You see man pay off debt and all kind of shit. No Europe, got out the Europeans and do it all by himself. All of turn out to rot that one next. Dopey bottom but switch daddy. Man say man across Jamaica. Look how Jamaica work, Jamaica can pay off for them debt. And look how Chayori just go in and go so boom and pay it off. Just so right now, working up clown talk, Mickey Mouse talk. But I'm very susceptible to falling for nonsense, so you not pass. But just glad someone now double back and I say look YouTube and I can't believe. Shame. Cause I used to war people for Richard Curry. These people, I'm a friend them I follow out with argue. Just like when I found a follow out with a friend them over the next puppet, Chayori. Someone all diss me. Claim say when I was supporters and I man I tell myself go suck my man subscribe. And after all that, the sun still rises in the morning and set in the evening. How much I want to shame about Richard Curry? Remember sound the scene on big platform? The dopey bad put on a little costume and chicken. You know. The guys are planned. Look from the academy. Whole heap of them come from the academy. You know. Some get sent over here, so some get sent over here, so some get sent to cosplay bush warriors. Then just give him a bushman image and some PR and get tricked. Remember out of nowhere we see Loop jump up. Check out the new Maroon chief, he's so cool. Look at his hairstyle. When in your life you ever see the newspaper just take up Maroon chief so they can board him and show him the hairstyle and swag. A swag catching, you know. Richard Curry just rebrand overnight bush warrior. He's like he spent his whole life in the bush fighting the corporations. And you're just the blogger online, sorry pie. Man, I ain't gonna tell me, sorry pie. Taking the bloody mix, sorry pie. How can I sit with me here? Vile. The latest circus act performed by this dopey bot claims them no wanna help. Cause him and his friend them don't have the place locked already cause them have BA money and be links, them don't need a little regular support, them don't want a JDF help. Them don't want a Prime Minister boy help. Do them own thing. By the time him done talk, we see a Kang Pang in a turmoil, people are say, oh, that the dopey bot that talk for himself. We see residents them say, that the dopey bot they not talk for me. Me want my zinc put on back. We don't know where my talk about them have much things and much things, guy. Let me tell you something. When you realize just how much Richard Curry has tainted a Kang Pang, when them really find out what Richard Curry are doing in a Kang Pang, it will have to be studied. When you really find out, I don't know what to say about Richard Curry because I must say my bad mind in time of Lamborghini. But just like you've heard me say many times before, just sit back and watch how I go on. And every time when I come back, John will look at you but already know. Just like today, I go to Patreon and go to some message and I see. When I'm long time supported the money, I say look at you. They tell me say, one natural disaster go mash up Iron Man. They tell me say, something big is coming. They tell me say, something big is coming. They tell me say. They mention say, I don't know if it's an earthquake or hurricane now, but Jamaica now go. Jamaica. I get a beat me, I tell you. You thought Richard Curry was just defending the cockpit country because he wants to preserve nature and history and his people. These are the Mickey Mouse gimmicks you fall for. Time and time again. When in reality, the people them want back Richard Curry as the real strength, the real money, and I make the real moves. Richard Curry, in his mind, he's some kind of big head of state. He man umbrella upon the same level. No matter how fuck chump on them man that joke to him. The man that top man. Me see one video with Richard Curry security and all kind of scufflings are going on with the Asian Hubris security. And because them get runway and boy up, I guess, feelings hurt to the extent where him willing to hurt him own people, quote unquote, his people. Him feelings get hurt to the point where him want cut off him nose to spite him face, and him say, oh, we don't want to help. Richard Curry speak for himself. Richard Curry alright, cause the man in the back of him I strengthen him up. Pause. So him don't need no help from the government. Him don't need a roof put back on. But all kind of people in a compound would love to get some kind of support. But because he's ego driven and him ego get bruised one time him security guard get run with. Because him, like him think say, well, him a head of state and Hubris a prime minister, so he told him I go like her. So me I say, bro, no Duppy Bot. From long time me asked Duppy Bot to show me one passport, show me a Maroon passport that is internationally accepted and can walk through an airport and say, here I am as a Maroonian, and walk through the airport. The way how Richard Curry behave is down partly to his masters who the back of him, pause, and the Jamaican people, because on a gullible, licky and frightened. So somebody does do some braids in them head and dash on one little one costume, push some bush in the head side, and you get catch. You say one ton bush warrior. You became a fan overnight. I see them all play batch. Ladies, check out the Maroon boss. Someone ready with skin out and dash one next jacket with the pound the man. Easy for catch. Easy for catch. What you don't realize is that Richard Curry is stuck in a character. This bush warrior, bush rebel, is a character he's playing. That is Richard Curry on your screen right now. His whole life. Everybody know that. The only thing Richard Curry was battling before he became a bush warrior overnight, the only thing Richard Curry was battling was Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. The only strategic combat he knew was when he was going to combat the typos in Microsoft Word. But you bought into his image. But then he started to play a character, bush warrior. And you bought into that character. And now Richard Curry is permanently stuck in that character. Let me explain something to you guys. Do you know the worst type of 87? Do you know the worst type of quote unquote bad man, the worst type of killy? The one who is not genuinely built like that. But he's playing the character of a gunman. Him worse than Hubris and Sci-Fi them. Because once him take on that character, he cannot come out of it. Most men, whether they want to be gunman, police, soldier, civilian, whatever, most men don't spend all day being one thing. For example, a man can be a soldier, a sergeant major. Most people who are familiar with the military know that the sergeant major is normally seen as the stern man. When you see him walk around barracks, he might look for something. He just want to spot one little thing and him gone off. I saw him stay. I saw sergeant. Almost every sergeant major I've ever met stay so. But even a sergeant major, when him done work and gone home to him family, you might be surprised to see him with him little pit them. Even the roughest and toughest of man, when he gone home to him family, it's a difference, money. Then when time for go work, him go work. But you see a Duppy Bot who is in character, him can't switch out of it. So a weak male have to stay quote unquote tough 24/7. And them they are the most annoying set of man in the world. There is nothing more than a weak male Duppy Bot cosplaying something else. Nothing worse than that. At 87, everybody know the youth who all him life he must never know killy. Him never have no reason for go join one another. Everybody know that youth, and suddenly him turn bad man. And him worse than Hubris and Sci-Fi because film face screw up for no reason at all. You can't ask him the time. Yo, charge it. What time you have for your phone? Hey boy, you ask Badman about phone. Hey boy, me licking if you come and ask Badman about phone. He's permanently in character. Permanently in character. Because it's a character. And when you're acting, you have to keep up the act. Richard Curry is acting like a bush warrior. He's acting like some kind of militant leader. He can't snap out of it. He can't be a normal human being. He can't be a rational human being because he's cosplaying a warrior. He thinks being a warrior means being this overly serious person 24/7, 45/10. But he doesn't realize that most actual warriors are only warriors on the battlefield. When them they run them bridging them, they're jovial, normal people. You put them in the House of Parliament and them just fit in. You put them in the church and fit in. You put them in the mosque and fit in. You put them in a kindergarten and see my play picking them foot. You have to wonder if I see a warrior that. That's what these dopey bat like Richard Curry don't understand because he's in character 24/7. So he constantly has to be this quote unquote strong man even when it doesn't call for it. I wonder if you're listening to me here. If the government of Jamaica say, here a guy, we're going to put down box on roof. Him can say, you know what, alright. Me not check for Umbra and him friend them. But anybody in the community who would like them roof put on back from the JDF, you can make them do it and do the thing. Me not check for them, but who don't want the roof put on back, so if you don't want to work with them, work with them. Me I go just there and make sure so everything alright. No, yo, we don't want to help, guys. So we don't want to help, huh? The guy's a dopey bat. The guy's cosplaying this macho man like he thinks it's WWE. At the detriment of his own people. That's the worst thing in all of this. If Richard Curry come out and say him no want to help, fine. But this man is making his own people, when claims that him a league suffer because of his ego and his character that he's stuck in. Richard Curry is no bush warrior guy. Man I tell him about Richard Curry go rise rifle. Just a couple years ago him like rise ballpoint pen, then rise rifle. Talk like him ready to take on the whole Jamaica, ready to take on the JDF and all kind of F. Him ready to take on the whole world. Any boy step to canvas them on a real Maroon. So me I say bro, it's an act. These are not my words. Are the same people them in a compound then come back out and I say yo, him don't speak for me. There is nothing worse than a leader hearing that guy don't speak for me. The way Richard Curry go on is like the people of a compound had a meeting and them say, yo, bossy, make that dopey bat umbre no say, yo, we don't want nothing from him. Saying no matter fuck him not even for come, boy, yeah. See me I say, that's clearly not what happened. The people them who say Richard Curry no speak for him. The people them who say Richard Curry no speak for them never that hide and that. And I like say, they don't like say them just have the audio and back at the cameraman at all. People were bold and bright on camera and say, yo, that the dopey bat there is not my dan. A leader is not some little youth on the corner. A leader is not a blogger boy. I'm a blogger boy. Me can't sit down and say, yo, oh, the boy, umbre, the boy, for what? Me can't sit down and say, oh, Marky sucks and I'm going to rate everyone for what? Me can't say that. But if I was the leader of Barbados, or the leader of Trinidad, when you're up on the corner as a dopey bat, you can't say, yo, me not beg no friend, me don't want them boy around me. I say, me I say, dog, we can't say that. Me can't say that. You can't say that. But when you're a so-called leader, them think they can't work, guy. You can't be there like some dopey bat about, yo, where you mean the leader of Antigua want that? Yo, tell them boy they for go dog. Yo, tear my youth. Yo, whatever want, tell them boy they say them see my lick him in face, dog. Make him notice me, I say, dog. Yo, them boy they idiot, man, dog. Excuse me, leader P, me and Motley want to, me and who? Yo, tell them girl they for go dog. I want all I eat that girl, dog, them girl and them girl. It's not how it works, guy. Not at the leader level. That's what I'm telling you. Them dopey bat they just want title. They just want big title. They don't understand leadership. When you're a leader, you don't make decisions for yourself only. Him don't want to help, him don't want to strength, him good. But clearly people in a compound do. And to deprive them of that, because the man they run them little dopey bat gardy, A cosplay in a cosplay country, in a guy. Cosplay in a cosplay state. But your white daddy gay land and tell us off you the next 1,000 years. We not beg no friend. Only for shame. Only for shame cause I only gas up Richard Curry. To the extent where him start to believe him own hype. The level of criminality that Doppelbot has brought into a Kong Kong has to be seen. But when time all get revealed, just make sure when you go take 3 dip out of mineral and wash off. 3 dip. 1, 2, 3. When you come up the third time, you say, I shall now start to have sense and stop for all the gimmicks. Vile. Vile, vile, vile. Richard Curry is no head of state. Richard Curry is no head of nothing. That's a dopey bot. A leader does not think how will this affect me. A leader thinks how will this affect us. Dopey bot, you think so when time a man or a woman lead something, whether it's a country or a organization, you think so every day they want to go work? But it's called duty. Richard Curry, as a quote-unquote leader, had a duty to the people of Hong Kong. But instead, he was more loyal to his ego and the character he's playing. Look at this picture with Richard Curry. Does that even make sense? This dopey bot, when actual Maroon bush warriors were camouflaging themselves and they misused bush and leave, and old-time Maroons were experts in camouflage, trust me, they did not go around and pick off 2 little bush and stick it inside them head. This is a dopey bot cosplaying a bush warrior. That doesn't even remotely look like anything close to come. This is a gimmick, this is a clown cosplaying a warrior. I blame you, Jamaica, for gassing up one more dopey bot. One more vile cretin. One more fly-by-night clown. But what do I know? I just bad mind him because I say buy one Benz and Lamborghini. So don't take my red feet. One go work with a quote-unquote leader and bush warrior. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.